behind me is Mount Canlaon. It's an active volcano. I think it last erupted in 1997. Quite a time ago. So we are at a place called the Century Tree. It's beautiful. We've just had lunch here and walked around. This used to be all the coffee plantations, and then the government partitioned it and gave it to the local people, and it's now been converted into rice paddies, rice terraces. It is a totally stunning area, very nice, and the weather's not so hot, really nice. So during this video we are gonna visit the Balete Cafe, and then we're gonna visit some scenic areas and go to a local farm, and then have a look at some cows and some vegetable production. However, this is driving to the cafe through the rice paddies, and it's a stunning area, really beautiful. And of course we're up in the mountains, so the climate is perfect. It's just right. It's not boiling hot, not so humid, really nice temperature. So we are just reaching Century Tree, and then this itself is Mount Canlaon, which is an active volcano. Big old tree. It's called Century Tree. I guess you can see why.
There's no fence.
It's time to eat some local food. Chicken skin. This is pancit. What is this one? Pancit. Calamaris. Fish. What is this? What is this soup? Balbakwa. And this is like pork bone, right?
Pork.
Hey dog. Dogs everywhere. Hey dog. Hey dog. I'm not petting. Fly me to the moon and let me float among the stars. So me trying to do some poses.
This is a video.
Trying and failing to be photogenic. Back on the road and heading to our next destination, we encountered this big herd of carabao. Just getting a few ground rules before we head down to the pool area itself.
It's a praying plant.
Praying?
Yeah, praying plant.
Cauliflower day.
Yeah, giant.
Those cauliflower, little heads.
Yeah, very big one, right?
No, tiny.
Aubergine.
Hmm? Oh look, cows are working. Working cows.
Oh,
Big jackfruit.
this is an amazing.
Oh, what have I done here? Did I press wrong? I pressed it wrong. I pressed in instead of out. I'm a bit of a mountain goat, darling. Steady as a rock. It's okay, la? These are so nice. They're so colourful. If you'd like a flat frog top, then follow the link to my website. So these are all imported cows, and they're going to be used for milk production, and then hopefully to make things like cheese.
That one.
It's organic, right?
Yeah.
No pesticides. Ah, avocado, eh? Lots. That's what happens when you get a greedy goat. Oh, it's stuck in there.
Right?
He's completely stuck. These ones.
Okay.
There. Saved. Didn't strangle itself to death.
Yeah.
God, they're huge.
Yeah. Your favorite, right?
I do like papaya.
This used to be piggery, pigs,
Ah, you kept pigs there? Ah.
but change.
No pigs.
During the pandemic, I sold it all because
What about swine flu? Asian swine flu?
yeah.
Is that
Used
why?
to be farrowing pen.
They're making?
Maybe they cooking. It's just
boiling water.
boiling.
How many rabbits did you keep?
Used to, I don't know, around 70.
70. Ah. So big. Oh, it's huge. Very nice. I did it in South Africa and in Kenya. I had to kill them and skin them, and
You did it?
I did it myself. Yeah. Tied their legs, cut their throat, and then skin it. Yeah. Hello. So guys, that is going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed our little tour around some scenic spots and some farms in the area of Mount Canlaon. It's been great to show you around. As always, thanks for watching, and take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.